Alrighty, so Luke from Well Size. How you going, everybody? Want to talk about something that's fairly recent but interesting. I had another video that I did before about bone mineral density and how you can hold on to it and all that kind of stuff. And if someone can put that down in the comment section or a link to it or something like that, that'd be sweet. Thank you, very appreciated. Me with my technological skills. And the reason I want to talk about this is because for a really long time, we believed that bone and muscle and tendon, all that kind of stuff, when they acted upon each other, all right, to improve bone mineral density or muscle strength or anything like that, was through mechanotransduction, all right? Big word, don't say it 3 times fast. All right, so essentially the muscle was pulling via a tendon connected to the bone, and then the bone would get that sense and kind of go, oh, I need to get a bit stronger because the muscle's pulling on me or something like that. All right, and that would signal the bone to improve the bone mineral density. All right, and there's a physiological process and pathway for it. All right, but what we found lately, and this is only in the last couple years, is that muscle and bone actually might just not be also musculoskeletal, but also endocrine organs. So endocrine, they produce hormones and chemical signals and things like that into the body, because we've got these things called myokines or exerkines. So exerkines are produced during exercise, all right, and myokines are produced from muscle. And what we've actually found is that bone also produces, all right, these exerkines, and they actually cross-talk with each other, all right? So there's not just a mechanical thing here. There's not just one force acting upon another, and there's an adaptation that occurs. There's also signaling that occurs to each other. So there's a chemical signal put out, and the bone kind of receives it and goes, oh, yep, I've got to do this. And bone also puts stuff out into the body, and the body receives it. And that's actually a far bigger video that would be far more in depth. It's actually about the physiological functions here, about bone actually talking with other organs within the body, which is really interesting. All right, but it's, for some of you might watch this and go, oh, I don't care, okay? But it's interesting to learn about how the physiology of the body is ever changing or increasing, and we're just learning things basically that we didn't know. All right, and the idea that things in the body are actually far more interconnected than we realise. All right, just something to think about. All right, Luke from Well Size. See ya.